Grow a healthy lawn and garden with MySoil Soil Test Kit. This video will give instructions to completing your soil sample, including planning, collecting, compositing, and preparing your soil sample. Sample planning. Log into your MySoil dashboard via the MySoil website. Returning users can simply sign in. New users will need to create an account. Make sure to register your kit prior to mailing your sample to ensure your results will be available in a timely manner. Before taking your soil sample, evaluate your testing area to determine where you plan to pull your soil samples. If you're evaluating separate areas, such as a front yard against a backyard or a well-performing garden bed against a poor-performing bed, you may require multiple soil sample kits. Sample collection. Collect a minimum of 5 to 7 samples throughout the testing area to a depth of 6 inches. It is possible to use one kit to test a large area, up to 1/2 acre, if the area is uniform in appearance. Utilizing sampling devices such as the MySoil probe can simplify the soil collection process, guiding a consistent depth and soil proportion for each soil core. Place all soil cores into a sampling mixing container. We recommend using the MySoil box with the box insert removed for soil collection. Creating a sample composite. Once soil cores have been pulled and are placed in the sampling mixing container, thoroughly mix soil while removing organic material such as roots, twigs, or rocks. Preparing your sample. Using the provided scoop, collect 1 level scoop of the mixed soil and add it to the jar containing DI water and nutrient-absorbing capsule. Tightly secure lid. Do not dump contents out of jar. DI water, or deionized water, is simply pure water stripped of any elements that could contaminate the sample. Mail your sample within 1 day of adding soil to the jar, placing the envelope in your mailbox or anywhere USPS shipments are accepted. Remember to register your kit online at mysoiltesting.com prior to mailing to ensure you receive progress notification. Allow 6 to 8 business days for your analysis to be complete. You'll be notified via email and through the MySoil dashboard when your report and soil analysis is available. If your soil is deficient in any nutrient, a sustainable product and application rate will be recommended so that you can grow the healthiest plants possible.